Alton DeCosta missed a protest due to the income tax assessment meeting. While he praised merit-based job placements, he expressed concerns over job scams, linking recent arrests to the growing issues.
When Vijay Baban press घेतले, that day I had an really income tax assessment आली. So I was with my CA. That was the whole confusion.
गव्हर्नमेंट कडून भेटून का आता
No. CA so I had an assessment. I got मागचं सांगोपरी म्हणजे झाले. It was my assessment with the CA. So that was the thing. But job scam that everyone knows. People have been arrested. And definitely it shouldn't be. Because आता लहान मुनीस भुरगो ल्हानसून व्हडलो शिकता टू गेट समथिंग आनी मेरिटाचे जेन्ना जॉब मेळटा तेन्ना बरें दिसता पयशे तीन जॉब घेता हें सारकें न्हू एंड वी एज अ पार्टी एज एमएलए एज इंडिविजुअल आय ऑल्सो फील दॅट शुडंट हॅपन आनी definitely it is has to be stopped and it is there, that is for sure, because people have been arrested. No one can deny this fact that there is no case for jobs, and because it is there people have been arrested. Hold on, can there is no smoke where there is without fire, whatever. So there is scam, people have been arrested, so this is has to be stopped.
कित्याक आमी पयलीं की फाटल्या दिसान जेन्ना प्रेस जालें तेन्ना विजयाचे खंय तरी स्कॅमान दुसऱ्या स्कॅमान नांवां घालपाक ट्राय केली अमित पालेकराक खंय तरी अरेस्ट करपाचे प्रयत्न करता म्हणून अमित पालेकरान ट्वीट केलें सो अशें तुमच्या
ट्वीट केला बट अरेस्ट केला ना रे तो आहात काय तो लॉ म्हणतो सगळ्याक कोणाकूय एक इंडिविज्युअला बरोबर न्हू समज समन इज एट फॉल्ट तो कितें तरी डेफिनेटली लॉ एज टेक इज ओन कोर्स कोणूय जर खंय चुकला जाल्यार कांय तें जातलें बेश्टें कोणाक बोट दाखोवन म्हणून कोण हो तितून एक्यूज आहा तो आहा म्हणपाक जायना न्हू लॉ एज टेक इज ओन कोर्स समज कोणूय तरी समज फॉल्टा देर इज समन देर इज एनी मिस्चिवियस थिंग इज हॅपन law has to take his own course.
But the government is trying to suppress the voice of the opposition.
I don't think so. Why? I spoke just now. Why opposition? There is no healthy democracy without opposition. कळटा तुका सरकार समज ऑपोजिशन नाका जाल्यार चलपाचें ना. We are celebrating constitution रक्षक म्हूण आमी एक अभियान चालू केलें. Constitution आमकां दिलां ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा आसपा जाय. लोकांनी ऑपोजिशन दवरलें डेफिनेटली विल बी इन द ऑपोजिशन. But then Sarkar wrong, we have to raise our voices. No one can put pressure on the opposition. दिल लोकांक सांगणार opposition राव म्हणून opposition रावले. So no one and government shouldn't suppress, I feel.